welcome back to the Average Mike Show. I haven't put any videos up in the last couple of months because there hasn't been anything breaking at the house lately. This episode I need to replace that replacement bathroom sink faucet that I did a few months ago. And let me show you what's going on here. Before I forget, if you're new to my channel, you're one of my new subscribers, you see a bunch of videos kind of missing out of the list. Well, all I can tell you to explain that is, I was told by a YouTube expert I had too much different types of content on my channel to move something over to a channel by itself, so I moved the cooking video, my cooking tutorial videos to another channel. That's Gargoyle Grubs if you're interested. There it is, Gargoyle Grubs. Okay, well check that out if you're interested. If not, well, that's the only explanation I can give you right now. Yeah, it was some, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago. I put in this really fancy faucet and, well, let's just call that an epic fail. See, what was going on is, the solid pipes I have instead of flexible hoses underneath the sink was trying to push this up, and it was kind of turning the faucet in all kinds of weird directions, and the hardware that came with it wasn't made for that kind of pressure underneath. So we're just going to call that a fail. And we got this one. Yeah, hopefully my wife's a little bit happier with this. Yeah, as you can see, look at that, solid pipes. Up and down out of the valves instead of the flexible hoses. And that's what was causing all kinds of problems with it. And conveniently enough, my tripod's broken. So that just sits into here like this. Yeah, you take these little rings that comes with it, and you just kind of, oh crap, I'm going to have to hold on to that to at least get it started. You better stop for now. Yeah, at least got them started. And you just twist, 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 twist. And there it is. That part's done. But as you can see, that's a little bit short. So now I gotta go to Home Depot and buy some extensions. Let's see what I can find. Yeah, I'm back from Home Depot and this sink project. Didn't find exactly what I was looking for, but yeah, I got some extension hoses and a hex barrel to match. Alright, and now it's one of the times I wish my tripods weren't busted. I gotta get some new ones. Yeah, that's just gonna go into this, like this. Tighten that up a little bit more with the crescent wrenches, and then I go and put them in on the other side. Under the sink. Use 2 adjustable crescent wrenches for this. Nothing too special. Alright, now assuming everything's correct, this should fit into here. Let's see. Let's find out. If not, I gotta go shopping again. yes, it does fit. Good. We're off to a really good start here. It should be pretty close to the end. I'm not sure which way you want to say that, but... Alright. And we'll do the same to the other one. And then it's time to attach it to the sink, and we'll see how well this whole thing holds up. Alright, and this is all that we got left. Is to hook up these hoses inside here like this. Tighten them up with a crescent wrench, and it's ready to see how well this idea is going to work. Alright, all we got left to do is to open these up. No leaks. No leaks. Just leaking where it's supposed to. There we go. That's done. Another job done. Hey, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Or you could just click on this. Yeah, no, the t-shirts aren't available anymore. You like the video? Mash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. You got any suggestions, anything you want to see in some future videos? You go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them sometimes. At least the ones that make it through Google, their policy. I can't help you with that. If you've got anything that doesn't. I guess till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.